Yeah.
Teeny's favorite team.
Yeah, so this team have like outdone themselves like in this year's auction in raw stupidity. So first of all, yeah, Shivam Dubey, that release is as bad as he is. It was a blunder considering the lack of Indian options they have now. And then the next thing is they let David Malan go at base price, and Jason Roy went unsold, and they chased Maxwell who hit 108 runs with 0 sixes for 14.5 crores. So that is the next RCB standard thing that they did.
But that could,
And then
he's very unpredictable. That could work out either ways.
yeah, but you have to go by performances, right? Like more than anything else. Like so that
Yeah.
was one, especially when David Malan and Jason Roy was there, and yeah. So and the next thing is they missed on. So they went for Jameson for 15 crores when there was a Pattinson, a Berendoff, and Jameson might have done well. And so one more blunder was they just traded. Yeah, Morris. Yeah, that is another brilliant thing. They released Morris, and they bid for him again at the price at which they released him in the auction. Just RCB things again.
And then they bought Jameson for 16 crores when Lockheed's on the bench for KKR. Brilliant stuff.
And the simplest thing they could have done is just traded and got Maxwell from Punjab. And they keep revamping their strategy team, coaching team, but sadly none of them came up with this. So God knows how they have their jobs.
You see their social media handle. They make it look like the Jameson buy was some masterstroke by the auction strategy team.
So
I think the squad has become much weaker than last season.
Last season they actually looked balanced. It was unfortunate that Finch didn't perform for them last season, but they still made it to the playoffs without Kohli performing. Actually, Kohli wasn't at his usual standards last IPL. So they just had to tinker with it a bit, but then they had a brain fake, which is common with them, and they just completely went for a revamp. And so this is my predicted 11. I mean, Kohli has said he's opening, which is actually, again, a no-brainer. I feel Kohli should be opening the batting all day long, like in T20 format. So Kohli, they will Padikkal. Yeah, both India and I feel for RCB, both he should be opening. But that's
I don't see him opening for India, so I don't understand where he fits. I mean, why he's opening for RCB. He's going to play number 3 for India anyway. So why should he be opening for RCB?
I mean,
IPL and Indian games are completely different. I think they want to win. RCB wants to win, irrespective of what happens to India. So, I mean, they don't really care about India, to be honest. I mean, they do, but not the position and all. Whatever works for the franchise, no.
Yeah. So the opening is a no-brainer. I mean, Virat Kohli and Padikkal had a breakthrough season last IPL. So then number 3 is again Arule. I mean, because of the brilliance that they did in the auction, even they don't know like who the reliable player is. Sachin Baby.
That's such an important position.
And this Mohammad Azharuddin had this one crazy knock in the recent domestic tournament. So it's probably one of Sachin Baby or Mohammad Azharuddin. 4 and 5, I mean, De Villiers picks himself, and I have this theory that Kohli and De Villiers should actually be separated by this one player in between, because both of them playing together, actually, I feel one of them should be there to bat to the lower order always, because that will just help them a bit. So De Villiers at 4, I'll have Maxwell at 5, Washington Sundar at 6. I think 4, 5, 6 are a lock considering how much they paid for Maxwell. So 4, 5, 6 is a lock. 7, I'm going with Sams ahead of Daniel Christian, because Sams also is a left-arm pacer, and in their team that actually is a missing component. So I'm going with Sams at 7. Again, the price tag locks Jameson at 8. They can't really alter that player. 9, Chahal. 10, Siraj. And 11th, I'm thinking of both Saini or Shahbaz Ahmed. Shahbaz Ahmed also is the left-arm spinner who can give them that variation. So overall, this is the 11, and it's far weaker.
Bowler too many in this 11. I think your number 11 won't play. So I think if number 3 should be ideally Mohammad Azharuddin, but I'm hearing Rajat Patidar is there number 3. So if he's batting at number 3, then number 6 will be Azharuddin or Sachin Baby. One of those guys should.
Okay. So I'd say with this team, you play Mohammad Azharuddin at 3. And then you don't play Sams, you play Christian, since they need a batsman for this 11. Washi can't be coming in at 6 because he's not a hitter. He's he's very good, but he's not a hitter. He's not suited for the T20 format in terms of his batting. So it should be Christian at 6 for me and Washi at 7, and then this team works.
Yeah, ideally, had they not released Dubey, just imagine had they not released Dubey, okay? Put Dubey ahead of Washington, everyone drops by 1. You drop an Indian pacer and you can play a foreign bowler. One more, you can play 2 foreign bowlers.
Yeah.
But now they have a problem of Indian talent, and whether Jameson sorts out their death bowling issue, nobody knows. Nobody's seen him in the IPL. He's never bowled before in the IPL.
T20 bowler. He's just going to save this season.
Yeah, and
to add to it, he's with RCB also. Everybody seems to perform
worse.
The skills are dropping there with RCB.
And one more blunder they made personally was releasing Moeen Ali. He was a very, very good player to have in the squad at least. Like how they released him is beyond me. But I think the first 3 games they're actually playing in Chennai, so Zampa might also probably get a game because of the Chennai wicket. But
I think the real problem they have is Chahal not being as effective. I mean, you never know. I mean, he's not his best now, but I mean, he normally turns up in the IPL. But
I think the main problem is the standard constant that has been there throughout the last 5-6 seasons. Again, over-reliance on Kohli and De Villiers. They haven't sorted it out.
I don't know. You never know with Maxwell. I can never say. So nobody can ever say, I think. So in case he turns up this season, they're just completely sorted. And their bowling is again a problem.
But I feel had they gone for a Malan or a Jason Roy, the team would have been slightly...
Not for Malan. They had about... So they spent about 30 on Jameson and Maxwell.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying instead of Maxwell only, and Malan went at base price, if I'm not wrong. So
that's because Punjab had so much money and nobody wanted him. So in case they had a clash, then he might have gone for a little more. I mean, but Malan can't... I don't know. Maybe... Then if Malan bats at 3, De Villiers has to go to 5. They don't have a number 4 batsman also.
So somehow they in the term of revamping, they've just made their team weaker, and it's so bad. Like,
so for me, the real problem again in this team is after Maxwell. So I mean, pretty.
Okay. So if you want to strengthen the batting a bit, and you remove out Sams and bring Christian. I mean,
then Christian has to bowl. I mean, not necessarily. I mean, they do have Washi as the. So I mean, Christian can chip in with an over or 2.
So I think Christian has to bowl a couple. I think there's one bowler too many in this. So one of Siraj and Saini will only play. The other person will be replaced by Sachin Baby or Rajat Patidar in this 11 for sure. They just need one of those guys. So you can't bat Washi at 6 or Christian at 6 and Washi at 7 is also a problem. Washi is probably number 8.
But that's the option they have. But
because you have the luxury of 7 bowlers in this team, you don't need so many. You can play.
For some reason, I see Siraj and Saini starting. I don't know why. I feel like they're going to go with both.
If they play both, then they'll have Chahal, Washi, and then either Sams or Christian and Jameson. And Maxwell also to bowl. I think there'll be a pretty long tail. You don't need that actually. I mean, I don't know.
So I mean, supposedly Jameson is bad. That's one more thing you have to see.
Mike Hesson thinks so. He's probably, I don't know. He'll probably be like Cummins. He'll probably score some runs, more runs than he picks up wickets.
Possible.
Actually, I mean, I'm going by the price tag, and I'm thinking Jameson will play. But
for sure. He'll play the first 5 games for sure.
Kane Richardson should actually start, but Jameson is going to play. So
Kane Richardson also is not the most economical bowler out there. He's a typical RCB bowler. He'll probably give you 40 runs.
And if I'm not wrong, the RCB's record in Chennai is horrendous. So and they play their first 3 games there. So good luck.
Where is their record good? I don't see their record good pretty much anywhere. But the thing is, like you said, Zampa has to play. They can't slot him in at all. So if they play Zampa for Sams there, that's all. Then Jameson bats at number 7. Washi at 6 is a problem. Jameson at 7 is a problem. Then you have a longer tail than I don't know what.
Yeah. So, I mean, we are going to get plenty of Kohli's post-match presentations. We need to execute our skills. We are backing our players. Yeah, all that is there. The standard statements are coming. So,
actually, last time, heavy reliance on ABD. If not for ABD, they were nowhere.
He won some 2-3 games on his own. 2 against Rajasthan, I think.
Yeah. See, that's what, like, they actually they qualified without Kohli doing much for Kohli's standards.
Yeah.
They just had to tinker a bit, probably sack Finch and get a replacement, which wasn't really that hard considering the players available. But they had a brain fade moment and they just completely revamped the team, and so.
I mean, all this said and done, I think Maxwell will do reasonably well this time. I see them qualifying. I see them finishing in the top 4 actually.
I mean, he can't be worse than last season. It's just not possible.
Yeah, exactly. Not possible.
Yeah.
And like you said, Kohli didn't perform nowhere close to his standard last time. So this time, if he does well, and Padikkal has been pretty solid. I mean, he probably
and
missed
actually
a
one
game
player
or
to
two
watch
now due
out.
to COVID.
One player to watch out will actually be Padikkal, because first season, players, they don't have the data and everything available with the amount of analysis going on now. People generally figure you out also. Like, if you take Shaw also, the first season he was much more efficient compared to the next. People just figure out your weakness. So
yeah, fair. But the thing is, he's a pretty compact and his technique is not as bad as the others. So I think he'll probably not score 400 runs, 450 runs, but he will get a reasonably good bulk of runs.
True, and there's one more problem here. If Virat Kohli is going to play the way he played last season, with the aim to bat at 20 overs, and Padikkal also plays the same way he batted last season, it's going to be a very shitty power play for them in terms of them making use of the power play, because they both aren't going for it. At least they were in last season. So, I mean, one of them, maybe Kohli, has to be explosive here. They'll change the way that they're set up in the power play then.
I think the other way around. Padikkal has to probably...
Maybe Padikkal.
And the problem is with this batting, probably someone has to bat cautiously also. Like, the lineup that they've got and the options that they have.
So that's why they need an extra batsman. If they have that, if they actually bat properly till 6 and have Jamieson, Christian and Washi to follow... After that, then they can just go berserk. They can do whatever they want. They can score 200 runs pretty much every time.
Yeah.
And they still have about six options, I think, with the ball. 6 or 7 options with the ball. So
the only thing is, it remains to be seen how good these guys are. They do play Sachin Baby or whoever he is.
They don't have a huge role actually. You just have to play in the shadow of Kohli and Maxwell and AB de Villiers. If they can support them, Sachin Baby, I think, is a.
I mean, their number 3.
Player.
It's a number 3 slot, so you can't really. Whether it's playing under the shadow.
Sachin Baby won't bat it. Okay, but if it's a 3, I think Azharuddin will only play at 3. Even if he doesn't perform, even if he scores like say 20 runs of 10 balls, I think he's done his job. He can go off. So it's fine.
So the thing is, Sachin Baby in the middle order. So they were better off, I think, with Mandeep Singh there than one of these guys. Because he was the perennial underperformer in the middle order, and he's probably better than all these guys.
This RCB one more. Saying Mandeep Singh is, if somebody misses Mandeep Singh in their 11, it can only be RCB.
Exactly.
And one more thing is, I hope he bowls Washington in the power play this time at least. Like the number of times. Yeah, I'm hoping he does that. So that's one more.
Kohli's captaincy is going to play a big role. I mean, he can't make dumb decisions. And I think it was for India where he didn't start with Washi in a T20 against England. I mean, that's of course said in hindsight, but it's going to be seen much more on RCB because they are RCB. So any mistakes are going to be highlighted. So he has to be on point with his captaincy as well.
Yeah, I think that's a huge factor.
It's a huge factor.
Overall, they've just somehow managed to come up with a weaker squad from last year.
I think so. I think they're still weaker, but again, because Maxwell. So with Maxwell, it can either be like 20% worse than last season, as in their performance, RCB's performance, or 20% better. So you never know. But I just see something tells me. I'm sure they'll qualify though. I'm pretty sure they'll qualify.
So I think
top 4.
I feel we spent more time on RCB than their words. So let's close with Srini. Will they make a top 4 or no?
I don't think they make the top 4. I mean, if Kohli has one of those seasons where he hits 900 runs, probably okay. But other than that, no chance. Like,
I'm actually on the fence. I think it's one of the 50-50. I think they're the ones fighting for the 4th spot. They could possibly make it.